Hi, in this video we're going through how to customize the sidebar on your WordPress website. My name's Dan and this is WP Update. Welcome, my name's Dan. I'm a senior software engineer and full stack WordPress developer with WP Update. In this video we're going through how to customize the sidebar, that is the bit on the right hand side or the left hand side of your website, through WordPress. Now in order to do this you'll need to be an administrator or an editor on your site, and you can tell very quickly once you're logged in. If you have this customize on the left hand side here, you should be able to make those changes. Now if you're not able to see this, you can ask your website administrator to elevate your account, or they may need to do this for you, but we'll assume for the moment that this is good to go. So you can see I've already logged in here. If you've not logged in, you just need to head to /wp-admin. If you're not sure how to log in, there's a link in the description below to a video which will take you through it. So let's head over to Customize on the top left hand side, and that will take you through to the customization section. Now just going to zoom back out a little bit so we can see the sidebar there. And what we're looking for is the widgets. So if we scroll down, now this may have a section called sidebar depending on your theme, but most of the time it is in the widgets section. And we're looking for the main sidebar in our case. And again, the name may vary depending on your theme, but generally speaking, it's sidebar, main sidebar, front page sidebar, post sidebar, or something to that effect. So we'll head into there and we can see there we have a few different blocks here. So we've got the search block, we've got the breaking block, we've got recent comments, archives and categories, and these are all standard ones. So what we're going to do is remove the archives. I don't want that. And you can do that just by clicking in there. You'll see this new bar has popped up. Click on the options on the right hand side, the little ellipsis, and then we want to remove block. And then that updates instantly. So we can see there the archives title is gone. It's still left the actual archives themselves. So we'll do the same thing here for the actual widget. There we go. And that's been removed altogether. Now, if you'd like to add a new widget in its place, you can simply hit the add, and then it will let you go through the different blocks that are available here. So you can pop in tabs, extra lists. You can even do menus, tables, just about anything you want can go straight into that sidebar, and that'll be applied, generally speaking, right across the site. But for the moment, I'm very, very happy with having just removed the archives. The categories I'm very happy with as well, so we'll just leave that as is. Once we're happy, hit the publish button on the left-hand side, close out, and then we can check our changes. So we'll scroll down, and there we go. Archives have been removed, so that's all good to go. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Check out the videos on the left for some more WordPress tips, or if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and ringing the notification bell so YouTube lets you know every time we post a new tip. Stay safe, wash your hands, and we'll see you in the next video.